The visit by the Chief Executive Officer of the COCOBOD, Joseph Boahen Edu, to the Techiman area forms part of his 3-day tour of the Bon Ahafo Cocoa Health and Extension Zone to interact with farmers as well as inspect ongoing productivity enhancement programs. The CEO, who was accompanied by key management and technical team of the COCOBOD, disclosed to Joy News that the main purpose of the visit is to help boost the productivity of farmers, which would in turn better their lives as farmers.
This year it has rained, but then the flowers are not coming. So we want to come and then, interact with them and also educate the farmers as to what to do. They can recover. What we are looking for is that the farmers should be able to increase productivity from the current 3 to 6 bags. We expect them to do 20 bags per acre. And you can see that, after the message, many of these farmers are showing that, confidence that they will be able to do it.
He was, however, quick to admonish cocoa farmers to desist from using weedicides, which, according to him, causes havoc to the soil as well as affect the quality of Ghana's cocoa beans when used excessively.
In effect, the weedicide destroy the soil and hinder decomposition. So you realize that most of the farms are being destroyed, the soils are being destroyed just because of the use of weedicide. And then the weedicide had 2,4-D. 2,4-D is a chemical which shouldn't appear in any cocoa bean. But when they use weedicide, the cocoa tree is so sensitive that it's able to absorb some of these chemicals like the 2,4-D. And we have sent cocoa to Japan which have been rejected in the past, all because of 2,4-D. And it's a weedicide which causes the 2,4-D. That's why we don't want to see any cocoa farm with weedicide.
To the hundreds of farmers who were here to grace the occasion, the meeting with the CEO is a morale booster, and the recent hike in the price of cocoa would go a long way to attract more farmers into cocoa instead of cashew. Nana also Brimpon is a cocoa farmer here in the Techiman area.
You see, the price is the determining factor. If it so happens that the cashew price goes higher, far higher than cocoa, definitely people will shift. They will shift to cashew. But now that cocoa is about 1,308 cedis per bag, and cashew is about 400 cedis, sometimes 300 cedis. The attention is rather going to go on cocoa. The price is the determining factor.
Nana also Brimpom appealed to COCOBOD to introduce Coco Irrigation to the Bono East Enclave to help boost cocoa production across the area.
They have to bring down the Coco Regation to this area because our land is good, the climate is not very good, but if they can help the farmers to irrigate, or if they can establish irrigation for the farmers, production will go up.
President of the Techiman Women Cocoa Farmers Association, Elizabeth Ajiwa, wants government to supply enough spraying machines to help deal with the challenge farmers go through during spraying seasons.
Our problems is mostly about the spray machine. We need more. We need government to bring us more spray machines and at the same time to employ the sprayers. That also can help us.
The Chief Executive Officer also visited some cocoa farms in the Techiman area to have first-hand information on the performance of farmers, particularly those implementing advanced pollination systems. Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Techiman.